video is to show you how to see the comments that I've made on your essays within Canvas. This is particularly for if you turned in a PDF document. If you turned in a Google Doc or a Word document, I'll usually make comments right on the document and re-upload it to Canvas. But if you do a PDF, then I put the comments in Canvas. So we're looking at the grades of our test student here, and you'll see the test student turned in the first essay, turned it in late. But this is the first place you can look to see the comments. You'll see this little squares, the little conversation boxes, and then the comments that I put will be there. You see I can have a test comment in there. This is where you will find the main comments. So this is where the comments will be that I write like at the end of your essay. But usually I will indicate in your comments to look at the View Feedback tab. So I clicked on the assignment and see where it says View Feedback. Now a separate window is going to come up. In your essay, there's an essay, will be in this box. And then the comments that I make will be over on the right side. I just want to point one more thing out before I go. You can see this is the plagiarism indicator. This essay, I used the sample essay that we had for class. So it's obviously been an essay that's turned in before and that's out there. And so you'll see it's actually 100% plagiarized. And that's indicated by a red box. Hopefully you'll have a green box to indicate a low level of plagiarism. So that's how you view the feedback on your essay. Thanks.